OpenAI has consistently impressed us with its groundbreaking AI models. From the early days of GPT-2 to the remarkable capabilities of GPT-4, their journey has been nothing short of extraordinary. Now they've unveiled their most ambitious project yet, the O1 Pro. This new AI model promises to redefine the boundaries of what's possible, pushing the limits of intelligence and capability. But is it truly the most advanced AI ever created? Let's take a closer look. The O1 Pro is more than just an incremental upgrade. It represents a significant leap forward in AI technology designed to tackle the most complex tasks and provide solutions that were previously unimaginable. In this exploration, we'll delve into the intricacies of O1 Pro, examining its features, potential applications, and the profound implications it holds for the future. One of the most striking features of the O1 Pro is its massive 128,000 token context window. This unprecedented capacity allows it to handle extensive and intricate datasets with ease, making it a game changer in the field of artificial intelligence. This allows it to process and understand vast amounts of information, making it ideal for handling complex and nuanced tasks. Whether it's analyzing large-scale research data, understanding comprehensive legal documents, or even processing entire novels, the O1 Pro excels in all these areas. Imagine feeding it an entire research paper, a novel, or even a complex legal document. The O1 Pro can seamlessly integrate and analyze all this information, providing insights and drawing connections that would take humans days, if not weeks, to uncover. The O1 Pro can analyze and comprehend it all, drawing connections and insights that would be impossible for humans to grasp in a single sitting. Its ability to synthesize information from various sources makes it an invaluable tool for researchers, students, and professionals alike. But the advancements don't stop there. The O1 Pro is designed to not only process information, but also to reflect on it, providing deeper and more meaningful insights. The O1 Pro also boasts enhanced compute capabilities and a longer reflection time. This means it can process information more quickly and spend more time considering the nuances of a problem, leading to more thoughtful and accurate solutions. This means it can process information more quickly and spend more time considering the nuances of a problem. The O1 Pro's ability to reflect on data ensures that it doesn't just provide quick answers but also thoughtful and well-considered responses. The result is not just faster responses but more intelligent and insightful ones. Users can rely on the O1 Pro to deliver high-quality, context-aware answers that go beyond surface-level understanding. The O1 Pro doesn't just answer questions. It understands the context, considers the implications, and provides solutions that are both accurate and insightful. This makes it an indispensable tool for anyone looking to leverage the power of advanced AI in their work or studies. To unlock the full potential of O1 Pro, OpenAI has introduced the Chat GPT Pro plan. Priced at $200 per month, this premium plan grants users unrestricted access to a suite of cutting-edge AI models including O1, O1 Mini, GPT-4o, and Advanced Voice. This is not just a subscription, it's an investment in the future of AI. With the Chat GPT Pro plan, users can harness the power of O1 Pro for a wide range of applications, from generating high-quality creative content to conducting complex research and analysis. The plan is designed for professionals, researchers, and anyone who demands the very best in AI capabilities. It's an all-access pass to the forefront of AI innovation, providing the tools and resources needed to push the boundaries of what's possible. Section 4. Performance and capabilities. The O1 Pro isn't just an incremental improvement over its predecessors, it's a quantum leap forward. This device has been engineered to redefine what we thought was possible in terms of speed, accuracy, and versatility. Benchmarks show that it's 50% faster and 34% more accurate than its closest rival. This means that whether you're crunching numbers, editing videos, or running complex simulations, the O1 Pro handles it all with remarkable efficiency. These numbers translate to a tangible difference in real-world applications. Imagine being able to complete your work in half the time it used to take, freeing you up to focus on what truly matters. Tasks that once took hours can now be completed in minutes, and the accuracy of its results is simply astounding. Whether you're a professional, a student, or a hobbyist, the O1 Pro elevates your productivity to new heights. One of the most exciting aspects of the O1 Pro is its multimodal capabilities. This feature allows it to seamlessly integrate various forms of input and output, making it incredibly versatile. Unlike previous models that were limited to text-based input and output, O1 Pro can process and understand both text and images. This opens up a world of possibilities for users who need to work with diverse types of data. Imagine showing it a complex diagram from a physics textbook or a technical drawing of a new invention. The O1 Pro can interpret these intricate visuals with the same ease as it does written text. The O1 Pro can analyze these visual inputs just as easily as it can understand written language. This makes it an invaluable tool for engineers, designers, and anyone who relies on visual data to get their work done. Section 5. Target Audience. The O1 Pro isn't designed for casual users or hobbyists. It's a powerful tool aimed at professionals who require the most advanced AI capabilities. Researchers, engineers, data scientists, financial analysts, and creative professionals are just a few examples of those who stand to benefit from the O1 Pro's extraordinary capabilities. Its ability to process vast amounts of information, draw complex conclusions, and generate creative solutions makes it an invaluable asset in fields where accuracy, speed, and innovation are paramount. The O1 Pro is not just a tool, it's a partner in pushing the boundaries of human knowledge and achievement. Section 6. Technological Advancements. The O1 Pro is built on a foundation of cutting-edge technological advancements. One of the most notable is its use of chain-of-thought reasoning, a technique that allows it to break down complex problems into smaller, more manageable steps. This mimics the way humans think, enabling the O1 Pro to tackle intricate problems with a level of logic and reasoning that was previously unattainable in AI. Another key advancement is the integration of reinforcement learning. This allows the O1 Pro to learn from its experiences, constantly improving its performance over time. The more it's used, the smarter it becomes, refining its abilities and expanding its knowledge base with each interaction. Section 7. Ethical Considerations and the Future. As with any powerful technology, the O1 Pro raises important ethical considerations. The capabilities of this advanced AI system are vast and varied, offering unprecedented opportunities for innovation and problem-solving. However, with great power comes great responsibility. Its ability to generate human-quality text, images, and code raises concerns about potential misuse, such as the creation of deepfakes or the spread of misinformation. These issues are not just theoretical, they have real-world implications that can affect individuals and societies at large. It's crucial that OpenAI and the wider AI community establish clear ethical guidelines and safeguards to prevent the misuse of this powerful technology. This includes developing robust verification systems to detect and counteract malicious activities, as well as promoting transparency in AI operations. Despite these concerns, the O1 Pro represents a remarkable achievement in artificial intelligence. It showcases the potential of AI to not only augment human capabilities, but also to drive significant advancements across various fields. Its ability to augment human capabilities, accelerate innovation, and solve complex problems has the potential to revolutionize countless industries. From healthcare to education, from environmental conservation to entertainment, the applications are limitless. As we look to the future, the O1 Pro stands as a testament to human ingenuity and a beacon of what's possible when we push the boundaries of technology with purpose and responsibility. It challenges us to think deeply about the ethical implications and to strive for a future where technology serves the greater good. The future of AI is bright, and the O1 Pro is leading the way. By embracing ethical considerations and fostering a culture of responsibility, we can ensure that this powerful tool benefits all of humanity.